Welcome to another hair idea. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. On this channel I bring you hair tips and hair idea that will help you in your hair business. So today we are going to talk about bone straight look-alike packet hairs that you can use to achieve a bone straight look-alike on a budget. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, please kindly hit the subscribe button and watch till the end of this video. So now, bone straight is not a cheap hair, as you all know, but then we must lay on budget. So if you have been looking for a packet hair, a budget packet hair that you can use to slay on a budget, or that you can resell and make extra money, then this video is for you. In this video I'll be telling you 5 packet hair that you can use to achieve a bone straight look-alike. So sit down, let's go. The first hair on my list is tiny hair. Tiny hair is a packet blend hair. It comes in 4 bundles with a matching closure. Though the closure is a padded closure, so the best thing is if you buy it, you remove the padded closure. Then from the padded closure you can ventilate a kimke closure that you can use and make the wig to give it a perfect look. Tiny hair is a blend hair, like I said earlier. It accepts heat. You can straighten it on a low heat, and it's a very nice hair. It doesn't tangle easily. Tiny hair comes in 28 inches. It has different color. It comes in wine red with dark roots. It has the natural color. It also comes in color 30 with dark roots. These are the 3 major colors that tiny hair has. So the best maintenance practice is to stretch out. Don't rub any oil on it to avoid tangling. The next hair on my list is lady care. It's a low grade human hair. It comes in 4 bundles with a matching closure or a matching frontal. This lady care hair can be stretched. It can be curled, but you can't dye it because it's a low grade human hair. So now this lady care hair comes in mostly natural color. It doesn't come in other colors, and it's one of the hair that you can use to achieve a bone straight look-alike on a budget. The next on my list is Brazilian classic hair. This hair comes in multiple colors. Like, this hair gives you different shades of bone straight look-alike. It comes in the natural color, it has the piano color, it has the gold with dark roots, it has wine with dark roots. It comes in varieties of colors, and this hair is very easy to maintain. It comes in 4 bundles with a matching closure. Though it's a padded closure, you can decide to use it like that, or either vent a kimke closure for it to give your wig a perfect look. This hair can be straightened on a low heat. On a low heat, remember, it is not human hair, so you stretch out on a low heat. It comes in the same length, like just one length for both the coils, the wavy part of it, and the straight. It comes in 30 inches of hair, though you can still cut down to your preferred length. The next packet hair on my list is Glamour Natural Black. Glamour comes in other colors as well. It comes in piano color. It also comes in wine red. So Glamour packet hair is a blend hair. It comes in 4 bundles without a closure. It doesn't come with a closure, so you can ventilate a kimke closure for it, or a frontal or a T-frontal. This hair can be straightened on a low heat since it is a blend hair. So the last hair on my list is filling. Filling, just like Glamour, it also comes in 4 bundles without a closure. You can ventilate a T-frontal for it, or a kimke closure for it, and wig it. It comes in 4 bundles and in length 26 inches. It also has other colors. It has the wine red and piano color as well. So this is where we came to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Till I see you in my next video. Thank you.